The global electric vehicle market is projected to reach 14 million units by 2025, with a growth rate of 21% per annum. This significant increase is driven by declining battery costs, which have fallen by 73% over the past decade, from $1,100 per kilowatt-hour in 2010 to $300 per kilowatt-hour in 2020. As a result, electric vehicles now account for 4% of global car sales, with Norway leading the charge at 56% of total car sales. In terms of regional distribution, Asia-Pacific accounts for 53% of global electric vehicle sales, followed by Europe at 26% and North America at 16%. China is the largest market, with over 1.2 million units sold in 2020, accounting for 42% of global sales. The United States follows closely, with over 330,000 units sold, representing 11% of global sales. Notably, 71% of electric vehicle owners have a household income above $100,000, and 64% have a college degree. Experts predict that by 2030, electric vehicles will reach price parity with internal combustion engine vehicles, with battery costs expected to fall to $150 per kilowatt-hour. This, combined with increasing government regulations and incentives, is expected to drive adoption rates even higher. According to a study by the International Energy Agency, widespread adoption of electric vehicles could reduce greenhouse gas emissions from transportation by 70% by 2050. Furthermore, a report by Bloomberg and EF estimates that electric vehicles will account for 58% of global car sales by 2040. Dr. Catherine Garcia, a leading expert in electric vehicle technology, notes that the future of electric vehicles is not just about the cars themselves, but about the entire ecosystem, including charging infrastructure, battery technology, and grid management. She emphasizes that companies that invest in these areas will be well-positioned to capitalize on the growth of the electric vehicle market. Additionally, Dr. Garcia highlights the importance of standardization in charging systems, citing that 85% of electric vehicle owners prefer standardization to ensure seamless charging experiences. Looking ahead, the global electric vehicle market is expected to continue its rapid growth, with some estimates suggesting that it could reach 30 million units by 2030. This growth will be driven by a combination of declining battery costs, increasing government regulations, and growing consumer demand. As the market continues to evolve, it will be important to track key metrics such as sales, market share, and charging infrastructure development. With the global electric vehicle market projected to reach $1.4 trillion by 2027, companies and investors are taking notice, with over $150 billion invested in electric vehicle technology in 2020 alone. In conclusion, the future of electric vehicles is a numbers-driven story, with significant growth expected in the coming years. With declining battery costs, increasing government regulations, and growing consumer demand, the market is poised for rapid expansion. As the market continues to evolve, it will be important to track key metrics and stay up to date on the latest developments. Subscribe to Evtrix for real EV data.